Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I just made a 12 by 24 inch landscape that I really like the sky in, and I want to do it again. But I want to be more outrageous this time. So I'm going to use a little Amsterdam white. And probably mix it up with some Anita's white metallic, which is kind of an off-white, but it has a luminescence to it that I like. And then when I need to change a color, I'll probably use the titanium white from Colourarte. I don't mind if this is different shades of white because that'll look more realistic anyway. And I'm going to leave it kind of thick for a minute and put some blue in there and then move that around. Oh, I'm getting some cells from the Anita's. I'm going to use a little bit of Cerulean C, purely pigment, right in that puddle of white. And some Oriental blue. And since I'm here, a little bit of Whispering Wisteria and some Periwinkle. We'll worry about the top at some future point in time. Right now I want that out of there. Wipe off my spatula and dry it. Use a little vivid white. That might be way more than I want. Never mind, I'll work with it. This is yellow orange, Hansa yellow with Parole orange in it. This shiny taffeta. Really want some orange in there. I guess I'm going to take my chances. What do I want to do with the sky? I'm going to take my chances. I'm going to use some Anita's white metallic. And some Groovy Guava, purely pigment. And throw in a little bit of Plum Blossom. But I still want some yellow in there. I've got yellow orange of my own mix. I still want some more pink too, but that's kind of crazy. Maybe I'll try the Periwinkle again. take a little Hansa yellow along with that orange. It's getting better. How far do I want to go? Where do I stop? Can I still mix any orange in? Or is it all stuck? The spatula. I think that's pretty good. I like it a lot. Put a little bit of green on the edges and the bottom, a little Fandango green. I'm going to try and be judicious about the paint I put on because I've got way too many colors that I want to use. That's some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is some Midnight Shadow. It'll probably go up into the sky. This is some Peacock. Trying to be so good. This is Baltic Amber. If I use a little, I can use them all. This is green tea. This is a purely pigment. Excuse me, this is a primary element. Don't want to miss out on my triple sec. Which is not very open. I kind of think that the colored cell activator I'm going to use will make a huge difference in that. So this is Fandango. Thought I wasn't going to use any Payne's Gray, but I think I'm going to find it right now. I think I've just entered the too much paint zone. This is Wintergreen. And I need purple. I cannot do green without purple. It's just my thing, and that's Deep Amethyst. Maybe I could skip the Payne's Gray. This is some Red Violet. Vivid Intense. And I'm going to put some Payne's Gray down anyway. I think I'm going to use some Atelier green mixture, the fresh playing card. Now I'll try the blue-black. I might try the orange too. I wanted the bottom to be fairly dark. I did pull out one of my little acetate tools. Maybe it's time. Could also have used one of my little silicone brushes. Maybe not so little. Alright. I kind of actually like what I've got, so I'm not going to get too frisky. What am I going to do? I'm going to use some more blue. Nope. I know what I'm going to do. I've got some dioxazine purple. Some Master's Touch. It's as old as my first bottle of Australian Floetrol. Kind of wanted to put some trees in. I'm not done thinking about it yet. I am going to use one of my little rubber brushes to remove the paint. Salvage the paint. My acetate tool. I might even be tempted to use it don't want to dig down to paint, to canvas. Do want to take advantage of any of the heavier areas of paint. Pop any bubbles I see. I just put a chunk of gold in the... There's gold in them there hills. Smaller. I'm gonna have to touch that up with some green, I think. Maybe not, it'll look like it's in shadow. Gotta be careful, the paint is sticky, I forget. Alright, I think that's it for now. Put some trees up over the hill. And some evergreens. But this is supposed to be all about the sky. But it's beautiful the way it is right at the moment. Okay, I'm back. I admit I thought I was done with this, but I think I'm going to put some Anita's White Metallic in my mixing pan, which is nothing more than a dish. And I'm going to try a little bit of titanium white. That I'm going to stick my finger in. light spot in the sky where I'm imagining there's a sun. I'm going to take some pink. But I added some art fluid too. Brought it back to life, hopefully. Because I want some pink in these with this orange. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly.